Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to slow zoom in on CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, open CapCut on your PC. Okay, now select the video or image to which you want to add the slow zoom in effect. I'm going with this image. Now, go on Basic, make sure you have selected Basic and click on this add keyframe option right beside this percentage option. Click on add keyframe. Now add the second keyframe far away from the first one. Now here increase the scale of the image right after selecting the second keyframe. Okay, now as you can see. So that's it for the video. That's how you can add a slow zoom in effect on CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.